A woo-hee-woo-yee!
This is not going to be a real dinosaur. It's just a drawing.
Oh, run!
Hey kids, I'm so glad you made it. Hurry, draw a dinosaur right now and send it here to rescue us. All right, kids, first draw a big circle. Now, draw a small circle up here and an oval right next to it. Next, let's draw one rectangle here and two more rectangles down there. Finally, add a triangle right here for its tail. Look, it's a dinosaur. Now, let's draw its mouth, nose, and eyes and color it in beautifully. Now, ask your mom, dad, or teacher to take a picture of your drawing. Then, open one of the AI video tools, select the video creation option, and upload your photo into the box. After that, just copy the prompt from our description box, paste it under your photo, and hit the generate button.
Help! Look out! Phew! Oh no! A dinosaur? Run!
Kids, if you want to make awesome animations of yourself or your drawings,
Make sure to ask your mom and dad to help you out.
if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!